Alrighty, so in this video I'm going to show you the quick and dirty F-14B RIO startup. I mean, it looks very complicated, but it's actually quite simple, and this video hopefully will help you become more familiar with the startup. It can be quite daunting with all these buttons and switches, but it's easy, and I'll show you that right now. So what you want to do, flick that to standby. Flick that to standby. This is a radar. This is the TV camera system, DCS. I'm going to come down here. Oxygen on. We will tune the TACAN in for the the carrier. So we want to go 73 X-ray. Boom boom. Make sure that's on track and receive. Come over here to where the TACAN command is and select RIO. Let's be honest, the RIO is more important. Next thing you want to do is turn on the radios. 2 clicks there, 1 click there, and that'll bring up the radio. You can tune all stations through that. This is the ejection command handle. Forward is pilot, backwards is RIO. So click that to back. Don't get that confused with this, because this is the canopy ejection handle. You don't want to be touching that. Next thing you want to do, switch this over to nav, make sure it's on own AC. By that time, you should have the fishbowl and the DDD up. So what you want to do is come up to here, put that on the ground, and then the INS is starting. So while that's doing that, you bring up the kneeboard, which is right shift K, and it will show the relevant lat long information that you need to put in to this computer here. So we'll do that by pressing latitude northeast, and that will show up there when we start putting the information in. So we're going to go 25014, 25014, press enter, clear between all relevant inputs. So next is longitude northeast, which will basically be putting the east in. It'll come up there in a minute. So we want to go 55217. Just confirm it up there, 55217. Press enter, bam. Next thing you want to do, elevation, 179 feet. Confirm up there. Also, see, I did that wrong. So what you want to do is press altitude first, and then 179. Confirm that up there, alt 179, bang. So it's always good, make a mistake, just clear it, redo it again. So while that's doing that, you can close the kneeboard, come over to here, turn on the display mode for the RWR to AI, turn the RWR power on. If you feel bored, you can hit the test button and that'll annoy the pilot up front, but don't be that guy. What you want to do is you want to press this to standby there, the flares to manual. This is the data link here, which I'll show you in another video, and basically about the systems back here. This is the console lighting, cockpit lighting, so that's all there. As long as you got the flares, the RWR on, you're basically good to go. By the time you do all that shenanigans, the INS should be done. Little freaking dot with a carrot there. Switch this over to INS. Uncage the backup ADI indicator. Confirm that all the lights are off. See, currently we've got the canopy and the cooling here. So what you want to do is you want to come down here, flick that forward, and that should be that light out, and then all you've got left is the canopy. So you go left shift C, that'll close the canopy. Come back down here, and the TACAN for the boat is tuned in, and it's showing there 49.7 nautical miles. Flick this to on, flick the TV on, TCS on, TCS should come up now, and that is basically the F-14B RIO quick and dirty startup. It's actually quite simple. A lot of people get intimidated by the buttons. Oh yeah, you can taxi now, by the way. A lot of people get intimidated by the buttons. I'll do a couple more videos regarding the operation of the radar and these buttons here, but That's a quick and dirty startup. That'll get you in the air. That's a INS fine alignment, so weapons ready, you're good to go. And that's how simple it is. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll show you how to do more in-depth systems back here. I might do a couple more videos up front on the pilot, but yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.